Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you how you can easily install Dude Theft Wars on PC, on how you can play it. So the first thing that you want to do is scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you'll get right here to Ldplayer. Ldplayer is an amazing tool that you can use for actually playing games, and you want to click download Ldplayer 9. Now when you're gonna do it, and when you're gonna download Ldplayer 9, you will click on it, and then I create like full tutorial on how you can actually install Ldplayer. So right here, you're gonna choose where you want to install it. And when it's going to get downloaded, you want to easily open the program. I got another game here. So I'll just uninstall this. And you want to go to Home, System Applications, Play Store, and you want to log in with your Play Store. And then when you're gonna have it in the search, you're just gonna write Dude Theft Wars, and you're gonna press install. And you just have to wait until it's going to be. And you're gonna press play. So here, okay, allow. And then you're gonna press like single player. And you can start playing the game. See? And you can move via SD, and you can choose what you want. So let's say I'm going here. You can switch. And you can actually start playing the game. And what you need to do is actually like set it up on your right side when you're going to find the keybinds. Then you can set up the keybinds. So control the move, okay. Then we're going to have like this. And now I press 1, and I just have it, and look at this, I can easily. And voila. I have it on num 1, and I can easily move as I want. And you can easily set it up. So yeah, thank you very much guys, and have a great day and goodbye.